Hello, and welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in technology and gadgets. Today we're diving into the exciting world of kitchen gadgets and sharing the must-have tools that will make 2025 an epic year for foodies and tech enthusiasts alike. Get ready to be amazed by innovative kitchen companions that will not only simplify your cooking experience, but also take your culinary skills to new heights. Over the years, kitchen gadgets have come a long way from being simple tools to being essential companions in the kitchen. The gadgets of today are smarter, more efficient, and designed to make cooking a delightful experience. Gone are the days of clunky, single-purpose gadgets. Today's must-have tools are sleek, multifunctional, and designed to simplify your cooking life. So if you're ready to upgrade your kitchen game and explore the latest culinary innovations, sit back, relax, and join us as we reveal the must-have tools that will make 2025 an epic year for kitchen lovers. Smart appliances, the rise of connected convenience. Imagine a kitchen where the appliances anticipate your needs, reducing cooking time and enhancing your culinary creativity. In 2025, smart appliances are set to revolutionize the way we cook with intelligent features that make meal preparation a breeze. At the forefront of this revolution is the smart refrigerator, which goes beyond keeping your food fresh. These refrigerators feature built-in touchscreens providing access to a plethora of recipes and meal planning tools. With voice control capabilities, you can effortlessly add items to your shopping list, eliminating the need for separate note-taking apps. Moreover, some advanced refrigerators can automatically reorder groceries when supplies run low, ensuring that you never run out of essential ingredients. The future of cooking lies in precision, and this is where smart kitchen gadgets truly shine. Enter sous vide machines. These innovative tools allow you to cook food to perfection by circulating water at precise temperatures, ensuring consistent results every time. But that's not all. Sous vide machines can also be controlled remotely through smartphone apps, allowing you to monitor and adjust settings while you focus on other aspects of your meal preparation. For those who prefer a more traditional cooking experience, smart thermometers offer a convenient alternative. These gadgets can be wirelessly connected to your phone, providing real-time updates on the internal temperature of your food. No more guesswork or relying on outdated cooking charts. With smart thermometers, you'll know exactly when your meat is medium rare or your fish is flaky and delicious. Food waste reduction. Sustainable solutions for the conscious cook. In 2025, food waste reduction is no longer an afterthought. It's a top priority for eco-conscious consumers. Fortunately, innovative kitchen gadgets have stepped up to address this pressing issue, making it easier than ever to minimize waste and make the most of your ingredients. Leading the charge are compact composters that transform food scraps into nutrient-rich fertilizer for your garden. These countertop marvels use natural processes to break down organic waste quickly and efficiently. Say goodbye to smelly garbage disposals and hello to a sustainable way of dealing with food scraps. But the movement toward zero waste doesn't end there. Reusable food storage solutions are gaining momentum, replacing single-use plastics with stylish and practical alternatives. From reusable silicone food wraps to innovative containers that keep food fresh for longer, these gadgets not only reduce waste, but also make your kitchen more visually appealing. We live in an era where sustainability meets style, and these kitchen gadgets are paving the way for a better tomorrow. Culinary creations made easy. The wonders of multifunctional gadgets. In the quest for kitchen excellence, versatility is key. Enter multifunctional gadgets that can handle a variety of tasks from chopping vegetables to blending smoothies. These all-in-one wonders are designed to save space and simplify your cooking routine. Take the versatile blender, for example. It's no longer just for smoothies. With powerful motors and high-speed blades, modern blenders can crush ice, pulverize nuts, and even create creamy dressings and sauces. Some blenders even come equipped with additional functions, such as chopping and kneading dough, making them an indispensable addition to any kitchen. Effortless meal prep. Streamlining your weekly routine. Meal prepping has become a game changer for those seeking to balance health and convenience. And innovative kitchen gadgets are here to streamline your weekly routine and make meal prepping a breeze. Enter the food vacuum sealer, a device that extends the shelf life of your prepped meals, keeping them fresh and nutritious for longer. By removing air and moisture from bags or containers, vacuum sealers prevent oxidation, which can cause food spoilage. This not only reduces food waste, but also ensures that your hard work in the kitchen lasts throughout the week. Additionally, portable mini freezers are gaining popularity for their ability to store and transport prepped meals effortlessly. These compact freezers keep your food frozen until it's time to enjoy, making them perfect for those with a busy lifestyle or frequent travelers. Turning cooking into an art, creativity knows no bounds. For those who love to experiment in the kitchen, there's a whole array of gadgets that can turn cooking into an art form. From spiralizers that transform vegetables into stunning ribbons to innovative molds that create show-stopping desserts, the possibilities are endless. Take the spiralizer, for example. This kitchen tool allows you to create beautiful vegetable noodles, adding a fun and nutritious twist to traditional pasta dishes. With different blade attachments, you can spiral, slice, or shred vegetables, opening up a world of culinary creativity. And when it comes to baking, innovative cake projectors can help you achieve professional-looking results without the stress of intricate piping techniques. These handy gadgets project designs onto your cake, making decorating effortless and fun for both kids and adults. Beyond the kitchen, gadget lifestyle, where innovation meets everyday life. The realm of kitchen gadgets extends beyond the culinary arts. These remarkable tools enhance various aspects of your everyday life, making ordinary tasks extraordinary. From countertop to table, elevated dining experiences. As we gather around the table, the dining experience shouldn't end with the food. Enter smart water bottles that remind you to stay hydrated throughout your meal, ensuring that you enjoy optimal health and well-being. These bottles often have built-in filters, providing clean and refreshing water on demand. Heated plates are another innovation that adds a touch of luxury to your dining experience. No more serving your meal on cold plates. With built-in heating elements, these plates keep your food warm until the last bite, making every mouthful a delightful experience. Sustainability in the kitchen, reducing waste with eco-friendly innovations. Sustainability is at the forefront of our minds as we explore the latest kitchen gadgets. From energy-efficient appliances to waste reduction solutions, these gadgets are designed to minimize our environmental impact without compromising on functionality. Energy Star certified dishwashers are a prime example. Using less water and energy than conventional models, these dishwashers help conserve resources without sacrificing performance. Additionally, innovative laundry appliances utilize steam to remove soil from clothing, reducing the need for harsh chemicals and excessive water consumption. The future of food, emerging trends in kitchen gadgets. Looking ahead, several exciting trends are shaping the future of kitchen gadgets. Personalized nutrition tracking devices that monitor your dietary intake and provide tailored recommendations are becoming increasingly popular. These gadgets empower you to make informed choices about your meals, promoting a healthier lifestyle. Moreover, AI-powered smart kitchen assistants are entering the scene, simplifying tasks such as recipe recommendations and meal planning. These assistants leverage voice control and natural language processing, making cooking more convenient than ever before. In conclusion, 2025 is poised to be an incredible year for kitchen gadgets, offering a glimpse into the future of cooking and dining. The gadgets we've explored today represent a harmonious blend of technology, innovation, and culinary passion. Whether you're a tech-savvy chef or a gadget enthusiast who loves to experiment in the kitchen, these must-have tools will elevate your culinary journey to new heights. So embrace the power of smart appliances, precision cooking gadgets, food waste reduction solutions, multifunctional wonders, meal prepping essentials, creativity enhancers, and lifestyle innovators that redefine the boundaries of what kitchen gadgets can achieve. Now it's time to hear from you. What are your favorite kitchen gadgets that you swear by? Share your thoughts and recommendations in the comments section below. Let's start a conversation and inspire others with the tools that have made a difference in our kitchens. If you found this video helpful and want to stay up to date with the latest tech trends, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of 2025's must-have kitchen gadgets. Until next time, happy cooking and stay curious.